Hello, gals and pals out there. It's your friend Toy Fanatic Kid, and today we will be unboxing and learning a few things about the Furby Connect. So let's get right into it. I can't wait to get inside to see what he has. On the side here, we have Furby connects with you through 150 colorful eye animations. We'll have to check those out, guys. Right under here, guys, we have sleep mask included. We'll have to see just what that sleep mask does. We have Furby hatches Furblings with you here. Next, we have Furby poops surprises here. Whoa, that's pretty crazy. And lastly, we have here Furby gets food from you here. I can't wait to see what Furby does. Down here, guys, we have Furby gets updates. Connect to the app so Furby can learn phrases and songs. That's so awesome. Alright, guys, I think it's about time to open Furby up and see what he does. Alright, guys, let's open it up and see what's inside. So we open him up, and here we have our little friend Furby here. He's so cute. His big ears and his big eyes. His furry little body. So adorable. Here we have his sleep mask. Let's check out his sleep mask. Here's Furby's sleep mask. Let's take it out. We'll put his little mask here to the side. Okay, so now we have the little guy out. We're gonna put some batteries in him and we're gonna see what he does. Awesome. He's alive. Wow. He has such a nice laugh. Let's see what happens if I put my finger inside of his mouth. Oh, Furby. Oh, Furby. Oh, Furby. Oh, cover your mouth, Furby. That's disgusting. His ears are so big. Such big ears, Furby. What's wrong? Oh my goodness, Furby, that's disgusting. Oh, nice. What happens if I get his tail? Oh, oh goodness, Furby. Oh, Furby. Goodness, Furby. See if I can tickle him. You ticklish. He's such a cute little guy. Let's see, what else? His little feet, his little feet. Oh, goodness, Furby. His eyes are so big and so creepy. He has a little antenna on the top of his head here. That's awesome, Furby. He's ticklish as well. Oh, Furby. Oh, I don't like to dance, Furby. Now we're gonna place it over his eyes and see if he actually falls asleep. Okay, Furby, here we go. Oh. Oh. Oh, Furby. Good night, Furby. So awesome. So it also comes here with Furby Connect. It's a little guide. You can turn Furby upside down. Oh. Wow. Also, if you play music, Furby will dance to your music. You can just hold Furby. I think you are, Furby. Or you can shake Furby. And there's so many other things that you can do with Furby here. This is such a complex toy. Goodness, Furby. Disgusting. So this is Furby here. This is real life. You can also download the app and play along with Furby here. We're gonna collect some items here. Let's see what happens. We're collecting more items now. Awesome! We collected some more items, guys. There are limitless games that you have here with Furby. This could be so much fun, guys. This is so much fun.